Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set extend unlock in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. You can do extend unlock. Okay, you can extend unlock option in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Usually, you will use this screen lock and yes. This is unlock. Okay, so if you would like to use further unlock, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen here, and here select extend unlock. Okay, while touching extend unlock, it will ask your current unlock key. Okay, that is here I got set pattern. Okay, so give it. Okay, and now read. Extend unlock keeps this device unlocked when it's with you. Extend unlock can recognize when you are holding this device, you are near home or any other trusted place. Your watch or any another trusted device is nearby. Okay, so read all the things and click on got it. And first one is on body detection. Keep this device unlocked while it is on you at specific places that you trust or near your trusted devices. Okay, so click on body detection and turn on this. Okay, so that you no need to unlock your phone if you are holding your phone by your hand or in your pocket or in your or wherever on your body. Okay, that is called on body detection. Okay, so phone will detect your body, and yes, here it will not ask your password. Okay, so to get the effect, it will take some time. Okay, now I check. See, so it's still not working, and now let's check. Yes, it's working now. Then next one I am going to show. Go to settings again and then go to lock screen. Go to lock screen and here select extend unlock and draw your current pattern for authentication and confirmation and click on trusted places. You can add any place here. Okay, you can add many places. Okay, so I use this place. Okay, as of now. Okay, at this place, if I come to this place or I am using this using my phone in this place for longer time, my phone will not ask pattern and it will directly open. Okay, see here opened. Okay, then third one I am going to show. Okay, first go to settings again and then go to lock screen here. Go to lock screen and go to extend unlock and give your current pattern for authentication and confirmation and click on trusted devices. Suppose if you are having any Bluetooth device like watches or any other Bluetooth enabled device, you can add that device using add trusted places and pair that device, and then if those devices are nearby to your phone, you don't need to unlock your phone each time. Okay, but I don't have no trusted devices as of now, so I leave it. But just like Bluetooth connection, you do it, and if those places, if those devices are nearby to your phone, automatically your phone will be in unlocked mode, and you don't need to you don't need to put your password or pattern or pin to unlock your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.